Hi readers, welcome back. It's me, Miss M, and I am ready to get started practicing reading some words. Just like we do in school, the goal is to try to read these words nice and smooth out loud. But if you need to tap or pause the video to help you read the word, you can. Let's start with this one. Go ahead and try to read this word in your brain first, and then say it out loud nice and smooth. If you need to tap, that's okay. The word is dot. I'm noticing that the D in this word is capital or uppercase. Dot is somebody's name, and we're going to be reading about that character in our story later on. That's why the D looks big, capital or uppercase. If you know this word, dot, I bet you know this word. Nice job. The word is not. I'm looking at something. If you knew dot, the only thing that changes is that first sound. Take out d, put in what N says. N makes the sound N. Now the word is not. Nice job. Try this one. The word is mad. Make a mad face. Nice job. If you know mad, you know this one too. The word is sad. Make a sad face. Sad. Let's try this one. Cap. If you know cap, you know this one. Nap. Dog. Nice job reading this word. This one could be a little tricky. This one has a digraph at the end. Do you know what the digraph is? That's right. The digraph is CK. This word is pack. When you tapped this word, if you did tap this word, you had to do something like this. P-A-K. Pack. Notice how at the end there's two letters, but I only gave it one tap. It only makes one sound. Before I show you the rest of the words, I want to remind you what a glued sound is. I'll move myself out of the way. Let's see. Maybe I'll go up here. A glued sound are when letters are stuck together and you can hear them make their own sound, but they kind of make a slightly different sound. They don't sound like you would expect them to. Let's try the first word with the glued sound. What's this word? Nice job. This word is Dan. The D is uppercase or capital because it's a character's name in our story. Could you find the glued sound in this word? Nice job. The glued sound is A-N, making the sound an. Remember, we put a box around glued sounds. Nice job. Here's your next one. Beautiful. That word is man. Could you find the glued sound? Nice job. A-N. If you know man, I bet you know this word. That's right. The word is can. The glued sound is A-N, saying an. Now, I'm going to remind you about what a blend is. A blend is when two consonants are next to each other, they're right together, but you can hear each of them making their very own sound. And I know you can't see the rest of the words right there. I'll move myself. Here we go. Perfect. Two or more consonants together, and you can hear each letter make its own sound. That's what a blend is. The next few words are going to be words that have blends. Tap this word out if you're stuck. This could be tricky. Nice job. The word is stop. Could you find the blend in this word? Two consonants next to each other? Nice work. The blend is ST at the beginning, making the sound st. Sometimes a blend could be at the beginning of a word. Other times, a blend could be at the back of a word, at the end of a word, like in this one. Do you know what this word says? That's right. This word is lost. And in this time, the ST blend is at the end of the word saying st. So be careful and watch for those blends. Here's your next word. See if you can read it and find the blend. Nice work. This word is skim. Could you find the blend? You got it. SK is the blend in this word in the front. Remember, we mark our blends in words by underlining each one. Try this one. Good job. This word is flat. Do you know where the blend is? You got it. FL at the front. Here's your next one. Good. The word is swim. Can you find the blend? You got it. The blend in this word is SW in the beginning, saying sw. And with that, readers, we are ready to move on for our spelling practice next. I'll see you soon. Nice job.